Hello guys, hello everyone! My YouTube channel is Talks Vlog. Ngayon, meron ako na-receive na package from France. Thank you so much kay Toto. Toto International from France. Thank you so much for give me a package I received today, this morning. Yes, this is a package. GRS. Thank you, Toto. God bless you more and your family. I opened the package na. Unboxing. Thank you so much, Toto, and your family. God bless you. More blessings to come. And thank you for the gift this coming Christmas and New Year. You give me a gift. Thank you, Toto. Naman pa pala ka dito. Sige. Hindi na alas. Dito na yan. I open the box. Shout out kay Cameron, shout out. Kay Kinday, shout out kay Kinday. Kay Awesome, kay Bruce. Yan, dito na lang. Kay Balingleng, shout out to you. Balak ka dyan. Balak ka dyan. Paano ba? Tagal pala, wait lang. Ito, may mga papel pa, mga galing France. Tibayan. Ang galing France. Ano ba to? Baka may mabasag. Wait lang. Dito na lang. Ang tagal. Okay guys, malapit na ma-open. Malapit na ma-open. Gupitin na lang natin. What inside the box? Toto. Wait lang, ayusin ko lang. Oh my God. Ang tagal ma-open. Oh. Yan. Wow! What is that? What inside the box? Tcharam! Oh my God. Inside the box is this one. More chocolate. Okay, say natin. Pratimon Romoman Nougat. Ay! Nougat. Oh, yung sarap to. Nougat with nuts. Ayun o. Ayun o. Thank you, Toto. Ano to? Nougat di Montilimar. Montilimar. Nougat with nuts. Uy, ang daming nuts. Thank you, Toto. And this one is Chashao Lalajan. Chashao Lalajan. Ano to? Lajanun. Gamot ata. Toto, what is that? What is that, Toto? Buklatin nga natin kung ano to. This one. Ay, candy! Candy! Candy ata to. Buksan natin. Candy ata. Buksan natin. Na, magdidilim na. Hindi ko mabuksan. I don't know. Basta, parang candy siya, candy. Yeah. Oh. Uy, may message si Toto. Sabi ni Toto. Maligayang Pasko, Annalyn po, manibagong taon. Kamusta ka na? Sobrang masaya ako. Mahal kita, Diyos, pagpalain mo po. Yan. Wow! Thank you so much, Toto, for the message. Yeah. Maligayang Pasko and Happy New Year, Toto. Very nice. You have a heart and sun. Oh. Ang ganda. May greeting siya sa akin. Thank you. Maligayang Pasko, Annalyn, maligayang bagong taon. Yeah. Ako mabuti, Toto. Thank you. And meron tayo ditong Cora Chocolate. Chocolate. Chocolate with almonds. Uy, dalawa. Dami. Wow! At meron tayong cookies. Cookies. Molot. Chippy. Ayan o. Oh. Para siyang cookies. chocolate. Cotidor. Ang hirap basahin ng France. Ayan. Uy, at meron tayong ladik. Ay, candy din to, candy. Ngayon ko lang tumatikman ng candy na to. Ayan, no? Candy yung puti. Ang dami. Thank you, Toto. Ayan, and ano again? Bread. Chocolate bread. Uy, ano to? Ayan, no? Please, Anis Pabigi. Uy, may pakindi pa, oh. Ganda. And chocolate again. Dami, oh. Dami chocolate, ah. And lait, no? Chocolate again. Thank you, Toto. More chocolate. And this one is Potty Tartiner. Oy, ay palaman. Para siyang ano. Ayan, no, palaman. Palaman. Yung para siyang Nutella siguro, no. Chocolate. Laki, kaya pala mabigat merong ganito. Ang laki niya. Siguro masarap to. Galing France, oh. Ang laki. Tapos, ay, napadala ulit siya nitong Calisan. Yan, Calisan. Natikman ko na to nung unang padala niya. Calisan. Thank you, Tato. Delicious Calisan. Ay, meron na naman siyang ganito. Candy na naman to. Candy. Uy, ang sisyon na mga lagoy ng mga candy nila. And chocolate again. Parmen. Oy, Patrimoine. Gourmet. Oh, chocolate again. Chocolate. Thank you, Tata. And more chocolate. Bouncy Monda. Oh, yung dami. Thank you. Di na ako makita sa dami. Thank you, Tata, for the blessing. More chocolate. More foods. Yeah, more foods. And Kalisan. And bread. More bread. I received. Yeah. Dami. Ayun, no, tatlo. And this one, a candy. Candy. Gusto yung mga lagay ng candy, ah. Candy. From France. And this one. Ay, chocolate. Like a Nutella. Ang sarap. Like Nutella. And this one, a chocolate again with almonds, dalawang malaki. And chocolate again from with almonds. And candy again. Chocolate again. So very big chocolate. And nougat with nuts. Wow, this is my favorite. Nougat and nuts. May nougat ko, may nougat. Ang sarap nito. May nuts, may nougat. And may Nutella. Masarap na Nutella galing France, oh. Nutella. Kaya pala mabigat. Gawa ng Nutella. Delicious. Iba yung lasa ng Nutella sa Philippines, sa France. Yeah. Thank you so much, Toto. God bless you. Thank you so much for the message. You're so very sweet. God bless you and your family. Yeah. Thank you so much. I give you a big hug. Love you always. Miss you. Take care always from France. Don't forget, like and subscribe YouTube channel Toto International. Thank you so much. God bless you more, guys. I give you a big heart. And thank you so much, Tata. You're so very kind, generous for me. You're always sharing your blessings to me every year. Every time I have a birthday celebration and Christmas, New Year, you give me a gift. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.